Hi everybody, I'm back to play in my scavenger hunt book again. I have quite a few little odds and ends that I have been finding, and so I want to just see what we can work on and accomplish a few things today. We have a page of swatches and nail polish. It just so happens that my page of swatches, let me bring you in just a little bit, is going to be little swatches of nail polish. So I only have clear nail polish. The only reason I have clear nail polish is for when nails split. So that was a little hard to find actually. And I think I'll put those right there. It will be a fun page to do. Okay. Pretty much every color under the sun. Okay. Now, I'm probably going to put some nail polish over that, but I don't want to do that right now, so I'm just going to glue it in and put down its code so that, and then I'll go back and put the actual nail polish in right before we finish up today, because I don't want to have it sticky. Okay. So that's a page of swatches. D2. Now we had to do a t-shirt slogan, and we needed to do animal print, and I found this fun animal print ribbon, and I'm going to put it on my page and then put my t-shirt slogan on that page too. I have looked everywhere for my bingo card. I know I have one somewhere. Of course I can't find it. I have several that I got last fall when we went to a camper rally. It was funny when I found this ribbon, I was like, oh, that's an animal print ribbon. And I thought, oh, perfect for my scavenger hunt. For some reason the glue does not want to come out of there. There we go. One more. Okay, now I need Azkaban. Oh dear. Okay. I just want to put something under it just in case it bleeds through. I don't think it will, but... So, this is a t-shirt saying that I've always been going to make for my husband to wear when he goes to the art shows with me. And I guess I'm going to need a bigger Azkaban. There we go. I want a large one and a small one at the same time, so... Artist support. Staff. And you have to understand, my husband is really sweet and helps me tremendously when we do a show. But we've always teased about making that into a t-shirt for him. So I think that's a good one there. So we've got our animal print and our t-shirt saying. And which numbers are those? Animal print is 56. Put it down here. 56. And the t-shirt saying. Where's my t-shirt saying? Create a t-shirt saying is 23. This always did 56 and 23. Okay. And we did our fingernail polish. Now, another thing we have to do is bubble wrap and an Amazon Prime logo. And I have this bubble wrap from when I make painty paper, so I thought it would be fun to use it on a page with something else. I think we'll do it just like that. This part's not very painty. I think we'll get rid of it. Tell you what, this tape that this Amazon Prime logo was on, it was really hard to tear. Okay. Okay, now so that's bubble wrap and our Amazon Prime logo. The Amazon logo is 43. 43. I'm about to get there. 43, and the bubble wrap was 22. Okay, and I want to do one more, well, a couple more things today. I have to put in a page from a children's book. If I take that one out, there we go. Let's go for this one. I just didn't like the thickness on that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tuck this in my little pocket back here. I have all these pockets in here. Let's see, that one doesn't tuck as well as this one. So I'm just going to tuck that in, and I'm going to write down that the page of children's book is in that pocket. So page out of a children's book is number 17. So I can just put 17 on that pocket part. And let's see, what number is fingernail polish? 25. Because I think I'm going to do the fingernail polish and then get going for today, because I have got to get some other things done. So, where's the fingernail polish? It's 25. And what we're going to do is we're just going to, I think we're just going to paint a few of these little bottles, just to highlight them. Oh, that stuff is smelly. Mm-hmm. I'm just picking random bottles. Okay guys, let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and go get a few other things done for the day. I'll be back to work on this some more. I don't know exactly when, but soon. But this is the book I'm going to read out of. Let's see here. Okay, we all know the experience of just needing to get the job done. At such times, creative approaches can seem like a luxury we can ill afford. But in actual fact, the imaginative path often takes us where we need to go more quickly than the obvious path. Okay. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.